In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Zoom statistics. If you've ever wondered why your audio sounds choppy, why your video looks grainy, or why your screen share lags, the built-in statistics view in the Zoom desktop app can help you understand what's happening under the hood. It shows real-time information about your device performance and network quality so you can spot issues quickly and make informed adjustments before or during a meeting. Let's walk through it together. With the Zoom desktop app open, look to the very top right of the Zoom window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials in a small circle. Click that to open the Account menu. This is where Zoom keeps all your personal options and quick links. If you're using a minimized window or a compact layout, you might need to expand the window slightly to see the profile icon clearly. From that profile menu, choose Settings. This opens a dedicated window that controls how Zoom behaves on your computer. Think of it as your control center for audio, video, background effects, screen sharing, and more. We're heading here because the Statistics panel lives inside Settings, and it's where you'll find detailed, live metrics about performance and connectivity. Inside the Settings window, look to the left-hand sidebar and select Statistics. Once you're there, you'll see a clean breakdown of what Zoom is measuring. You'll typically find sections for audio, video, and screen sharing, along with general performance and network details. Keep an eye on CPU and memory usage if your computer feels sluggish. High numbers here can cause stuttering or delays. For network health, focus on latency, jitter, bitrate, and packet loss. Lower latency and jitter means smoother, more responsive calls, while packet loss can lead to dropouts or frozen video. Video resolution and frame rate will tell you how sharp and smooth your camera feed is, and similar stats for screen sharing indicate how clearly your shared content is being sent to others. A few quick tips while you're viewing these numbers. If you notice high CPU usage, closing other heavy applications can help free up resources. If packet loss spikes or bitrate tanks, your connection might be unstable. Moving closer to your router or switching to a more reliable network often improves things. And if your video resolution is fluctuating, Zoom may be automatically adjusting quality based on available bandwidth. That's it. By opening your profile menu, choosing Settings, and selecting Statistics, you've unlocked a powerful dashboard to diagnose and improve your Zoom experience. Check it before important calls, and you'll have a much better chance of smooth audio, clear video, and effortless screen sharing.